Okay. Okay. Good to winda.
Let's go.
Shuki kude.
Kodu.
Okay.
Koidu.
Kasang aju khalabre pronoun kolla bro noun kolla.
Re.
Okay, that before I proceed on the main topic today that we are going to teach, I want to ask something regarding previous classes. So, Tenzi Tomala Inda. Tenzi Tomala, are you there? Hello? Yeah. Okay, what is pronoun?
Not noun karere hako ichipo.
Okay, what is noun?
Sinje me tonchala.
Noun when the simche meda chila lawa marta. Ose. Simche gi ming. Mi gi ming. Saja gi ming dinso ngaju gi ming ting de doa. The name of things, the name of place, the name of people, we call nouns. Okay? Okay. So pronoun and akare, what do you mean by pronoun? Okay. Tenzi yunde, Lobsan yunde you there? Lobsan yunde. Hello? Lobsan yunde there? You are you there? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Lobsan yunde, what is pronoun?
Pronoun. You say pronoun? I think
yes.
Pronoun like Emma.
My question is, what is pronoun? Please give me explanation or definition. What is pronoun?
Denise.
Pronoun na kare odi chijo lada.
Kagaganga.
No. The kagaganga not pronoun. Pronoun is a word used to replace a noun. What do you say? Pensation tenzi in the kona takba kunju ki tenzi mala oche kerang ki sab like he and pejudan dirwa. Right?
So a pronoun is like something like I, you, he, she, it, or we, or they. Is that a pronoun?
They are pronoun because they can replace a noun, right?
Okay.
So it's not necessary that we have used hundup every day. So instead of hundup, we can use he, right? Yes. So that this kind of replace a noun, words used to replace a noun, we call pronoun. Okay, hundup, a question for you. What is proper noun?
Wait, proper noun.
Yes.
It's like I think it's like in the place of to say like you can say city, but you can say also Paris or Brussels.
Okay, great. You are getting the definition. So yeah, what you are saying, the example is absolutely correct. So proper noun means naming of a particular person or particular place of a country or country, right? So you are specifying a particular place or a particular person. Like we do not used to call boys, we call hundub. I specifically mention you out of many boys, right? So this kind of a noun we call proper noun. Hundu, you are correct. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. That during a part of speech kachi verb che any auxiliary che any adverb and things like that any adjective right. So it's a very simple. Every class, right? Remember that, okay? I will review on the previous lessons. So when I ask a question during class, I will make sure that you can answer it properly, because I'm expecting you to learn during the leisure time, during weekend, during from Monday to Friday we do not have classes. So that within that time you have opportunity to learn, you have opportunity to review on such lessons that I taught you. Remember, okay?
Yes.
Someone goes to attention. Somola, are you there?
Koso.
Okay, and then the Dogala.
Koso.
Good. When got the response, tell give me response, because I can't see in the movie in the video. So I want to hear your voice to make proper communication. Now, many verb la verb verb is a word of action performed by any part of a living being. Remember, be it human in the same energy ngaju chawa chigu sto chechik sto dila ngaju pe chechik le dila ya verb le res pena chashana right lan tiwarawa didi zamba chuna chawa chigi when you are writing
Chigire.
yeah, exactly, just on this kind of term langal verb la res chechik sama pena eat lana chechirwa chuna sagora you are acting remare danashik run. So this kind of verb la res. What to say? Good. Next is auxiliary. Auxiliary lana auxiliary is a word that helps a verb. Verb la rokwa chor kogi. Korang its role is to give meaning or link to complete the action of verb. What to say? Yes, auxiliary may be named the verb the korang sanghang korang chik thanda so to o marta. Jesa as verb tinya the jag word. Pensation Jesse is playing. Remare. Hello, are you getting me?
Yes.
M is, are, has, have, do, does, was, were, did, had, this all are auxiliary word. So this auxiliary also could be used as verb in English sentence. Sentence kachina ngazo auxiliary verb pechina thor pension does ta, do ta, did into sama aju ki chesirwa. Remare de pechitang chore samsam. Jesa verb cannot stand upon its own without the help of auxiliary. Auxiliary meena ko pechit khorang khora verb khorang tondaten to mare. Jesa aju auxiliary pechitang go relar. Kojuse.
Good.
Is it your am I writing down this note?
Yes.
Is it going to take? Is it going to take?
Tia.
Good. Teacher na saying alasho.
Yes. Tea time.
Tea time be.
No.
Eating the verb.
Verb tea time, huh?
Just like
you have to write down. Make sure that you are writing down the entire note. Otherwise, you have need such note review from Monday to Friday, since you do not have classes. So you have that material to have review. Remare, this is not matisha. Verb teacher wa. In this moment, teacher embe.
Gela.
Verb teacher embe.
Gela.
Someone hala video then that all of you show me your video. I want to see your face. The voice of Shamogo, the mute Gashamo, the on Gashash. All of you. Okay. When I'm teaching, I'm expecting a response like yes, yeah, or like that.
Yes, sir.
someone did need to go the man not here. Then the word be tea time be.
Tea time.
Tea time be.
Tea time.
Okay, good. La. Okay, okay. Para just time.
What tea time?
Good. Okay. Auxiliary tea time be.
Tea time.
Good. Okay. The next one is adjective for the adjective. Adjective lana colonels. Adjective is a word that describes a noun and is written to the left of noun. That adjective na dire tik kana tik mene noun disha jawar penchachana. Droga is good girl lana. Good life to oti ki droga la disha jai dwe. Kose se. Droga is a good girl lana. Droga di ine pumo yakpo yores. Cheta droga la disha jangi ki tik dwe. Hello.
Kodu.
Droga is a good color. That droga and deshe gani it's a good lady kare is an adjective. Therefore, adjective is a word that describes a noun and is written to the left. That koto noun koran deshe gani the word la khalo lana sro an adjective la ores. Penetration example ata. Same is a clever student. That kidi word kidi adjective le translate kata.
Kila.
Beautiful.
Okay, the Lundu, you are correct. My answer is standard to the answer. The question is same is a clever student. So which word is adjective in this sentence?
Clever.
Lundu.
Clever.
Clever.
Oh yeah, very good. Clever. Clever is adjective, right? Demane. Good, clever. Dima tia. Shundu dia tia.
Tia.
Tisaimbe.
Titaruya.
Tita gina.
Kondu shusaimbe.
Titai.
Oh yeah.
Tita gina.
Kondu shusaimbe.
Tea time.
Okay, good. It's all. That next adjective all of you understand, right? So it's adjective a word which describes the noun. Sundup is a smart boy lana. Sundup like the noun remare. Sundup like soon they say smart boy. Sundup put ulara. Sundup they say it's any adjective chawar. Jose, very good.
Hogina.
The adjective narola yang ya mangpore adjective Sundup is a smart girl. Sundup is this smart Chukpore and Sundu is the smartest, the most smart land media code Chukpore, code directure, Taco Chikshore Lajara, Dikona Jela made a degree local. So we'll have a class on that in another hours. Insurance adjective like the question and the word. Good. Adjective some culture wa.
Gozus gina.
Okay, thank you. Next adverb. Adverb ya thambo chuna adverb matish tin thanda di matish or thama note down chi. Write down. Teacher me not madam teacher me. Droga tell me background.
Tea time.
Oh, good.
Not teacher mas.
Okay, let me teach you Allah. Kitchen access la shwa.
Chas.
That's so.
Teacher song.
Okay, thank you. So adverb and adverb is a word that simplifies the action of a verb. This simplify amplify that this simplify the law. Amplify it. I will type here, I will type down. Think it type get a no shot. That not simplify, that is amplify. Amplify, Lord. Amplify. Okay? Amplifies. Amplifies and below that chat down or sort down lower. How say? Amplify and chick ya should say chat down chick tunda this ya would sort down that kind of amplify lower. That tanda dina kalona adverb like is a word chickes that casual that amplifies the action of a verb. That benches in a tanda droga like it tends to draw a cake. Tends to draw a cake whiler. Tamazuna get into a cake lava mata. Tends to draw a cake chimbogas. See, can you draw your chimbogas like Galamide Mazuki? Amplify chess six to what dilayani? Verb the verb. What dilani? Adverb lavores. Case
Think so.
just it is written usually after the verb. Then you cut it till and a cadena verb ki jila tiris. What is the verb jila tiris? In a sentence, Rochidiga continue verb ki jila di tiris. Penachashana example the male courier run fast. Run like the car is a verb verb. Chessi the male courier Jusha Lu Dular. Tanga the Jusha Lu Chico Seo Mada. Jusha Pen Yoko Lu Dular. That fast flash to what is the calore adverb lower? What is it?
Go to Gana.
Go to Sobila.
So this all kind of word la calore adverb jela tijo the verb timide amplify chinegi yo the jela leni word thangmala ani adverb la word dana space hota drink your milk sooner. That chonang oman jokotungar oman tungata digo mata omadi sunan jokotung omadi tungdan joglu khande tungu ba tizu kadi tungu ba khandes tungu ba digi verb dlan deshe gengi six to udla ya kalore adverb lawer. What is that?
Gila.
Yes.
Soon la tanan mumbuira.
Karla.
Soon.
Yes, soon la tunda jogbore. Soon na ngajin jogbo chila. Shamba ki tunda khare kyongalada.
Open up console. See you soon. And I
jogala soon la tunda shamba khare. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Soon na dilo jogbolora. See you soon. Come soon. Remare. Jogbole chora. Bollo. Peshe tanan shike. Don't you see the things directly now? That you not think the tone that you want to tone the tone song. Kadu tongu de, Kyoko tongu de, any gun de. Then take it directly like work Korangi gana work that is against to a dilacalore and verb lower. Kenso. Someone can say,
She's
okay. Yeah, that the exercise in the Cheshire. How's it?
Lasso.
Someone told say,
Tongu.
exercise Tantaran Chin Nala Kurguda. all of have you do this exercise and submit it to me after the class.
Yes, sir.
Someone call me. Okay, the exercise change ngala submit chokorda danda.
Kela.
Okay. Ndu keje teye.
Chiwa mekina.
And someone says change not.
Kela가 통금민도.
Tinji doga si lembe. Kaleng.
nga 통금민도 맞다 출한게 가를 teams 내가 딩하라도.
Jodi thongmide.
통민도.
Yeah. Okay, here.
그래 도치. Kela.
Yes.
데 가르쳐래요.
Oh.
데 컬러의 accessories this accessories 데냐나 가르쳐래.
Rang odi thewan kanga the tisembe.
팔레틱 뒤도아.
Exercises.
데 가르쳐래.
One the question number 5 lembe.
말이 콘도 삼아.
This summer that is exercise. Chonang tiwore. Thamba identify the verbs in the following sentence. Sentence into na verb kadi re chonang gi motion gore. Pensation she eats bread lana. Chigdi verb re.
Eats.
Verb kadi ngala da.
칼랑글라?
Eat. In eat the verb re la chonang gi. Kajlana eat is somebody chasirowa. It is an action word. Action word.
라서.
Kese.
Shins.
Danashi John drinks water after game is over. This is in analogy with the
She eats bread salad and a verb karere lore. And she eats bread salad did it eats.
John drink.
John drinks the verb. They are fighting each other in the
먼저 이 노트북라 초라 이나 컨서 디 컨슈라기나.
Tanda chijo de draw kharkusha. Draw kharkusha identify the verbs in the following sentence. Penchashana sentence tangbo di karasha. She is bread. She is bread I the sentence chigita. Sentence in nalo lang ek verb chik here. Just action word here. Action word di kadide.
Eats.
No, eats draw. Eat la fixed thing. Eat the verb rela. Chaswa. Chuan yewa di kare. John drinks water after game is over. What did Dinalo Chelsea the kare?
Drinks.
Drinks the real that Chuna drinks you mentioned share. Somebody kare. They are fighting each other in the street. Fighting. Very good. Somo. Thank you. Fighting. Raw. Chelsea fighting the verb real. That's it. Saswa. Nextly. Right turn verbs. The verbs to teach Kuranzo correct so verb correction to some mature. Write down turn verbs. Got it.
Lasso.
So Somebody kare, what is adjective? Adjective lana kare di thanda mati and give 5 examples of it in a sentence. Kurang chitu titu mide di adjective diralan kurang ma example tegur. Shivadi kare, what is adverb? Adverb lana kare swa. Write 4 examples by making sentences. Kurang chitu soje adverb di diralan ta ja gure. Now de kare, what is auxiliary? Auxiliary lana kare. Tanase auxiliary give few examples of it. Auxiliary mango pair wa chukji chuni sowa. That's it. Sama go to it. Go to say.
Go to the
Coach sir.
What did you
Gila.
Yes.
Pina adjective tala kalare pigi pina kare. Pigi shaguna.
Peshada ya kiran pechan.
Adjective tala pigi shaguna ne khandes shaure.
Adjective lana kare. What is adjective? Is we have adjective lana kare.
Adjective is a word that describes a noun and is writing to the left of a noun.
Yes. Tinzi droga is beautifuler. Tinzi droga di kare. Tinzi droga is beautiful and tinzi droga di noun chagwa. Right. And beautiful at the tinzi droga deshe geg doa. Tinzi droga khande yerlata. Tinzi droga ni jemo yerlar. So beautiful at the kare.
Adjective.
Beautiful at adjective raw.
Kila gadi do.
Yes, sir.
Think so.
On that digital media, Kurangi, your 5 example there, 6 to 7.
Adverb is a word that amplifies the action of a verb and is writing after the verb in a sentence.
Yeah, some teacher, the Ngala Kushas. Kuranzu email the Ngala. Someone Nang Chia, extra Chia. Okay, good. Tichana
Gela.
Tichana
Titame.
Good. Get on. 그새 한 마신 더바나 주기지 티셔. 싱글나 하게지 티셔.
Lass gehen.
Gela.
오. 야. 근데 원래 숨다 가나서.
Ngalo 줬어 kalare. Class notebook no tichura.
Kalai.
Class notebook nang la teacher ba.
Kurang inji tesarang tape jo dina tina digor.
Okay. Mama.
Choye.
Me.
Dina
Хорошо. Спасибо. Listen to verb. Kila.
खुद तेजना चसला
Gila. At verb na karere mo tanga di madis.
Sunda Sunda Gilat Tinsumala
Gila, yan yung sila mo tanga komi do yapo.
Hello
Gela yapu ko mindu.
Tinsumala Khana so adverb dangi ju kira note matila ba note los khare dutash kirata the look at you not okay hello Tinsumala
Ah!
dangi ni adverb labdi samba churangi note tila swa chura note tijo dita adverb na khare shatta chiminde rangal sunde shi
Adverb is a word that amplifies the action of a verb and is written usually after the verb in a sentence.
Adverb is a adverb like the word is which amplifies the verb. Verb the amplifies word tang word. Pensation Tindu soma churan chutungu na churan chutin jogle to tungu to come after the verb. Odila kana adverb la ore esla. Yes we.
Gila, yan yung sila ba?
Adverb lana is a word which amplifies the verb. Chachi di mende amplifies. Chachi di pensation 그런 이제 좀 그런 주둥구나 밀라티 이제 좀
Gela chutaja yapu mindu.
Nandro chuy yapo mindu.
water very quickly the above tower kalana kyorang chut drink lady kyorang chasiro it a verb chasida ini chasidila mi kala pe yundu kyorang chasidila ni dicho kalor amplify chor dealing situation dilang yegi oh 자기가 다들 그런 너디만 finish 맞아 kusangi okay 고세 okay 그런 쪽이 나라 라운드까지 라운드 WhatsApp 비슷한 거래
동기열에
nga tang me
이 준서 가르쳐요 페이스북 제거래 라운드 가르쳐 배우고 싶다며
Deze maar beetje 동기열에
Facebook
소모 좀 하시.
말이 나도 봐도 대화 지사기 대남 것도 어디 가르친 챈
Teams chela dira. Gela.
Gela, di ranjon ta di kelang ki di email la wanchen di karede wanchen tupten at yahoo.com la
Teams की ओके ओ Teams नालो लपा गेंता लो बुद्धि को
Lasso.
Teams नालो लपा गेंता okay
lasso
Gela.
yes
Kira nganzo kalare class notebook nangru ta yorira.
did fuck और ये तायर खसा दोरंग तायं बाउन तिनिरो तान जुगो
Laya.
तिनजोगारंग कथा कोई बात गेनाला दिखरांगी पर क्या तायं बात जों दो दूस क्वेश्चन अन जुगो गुड
Yeah, ina
और तिनजो नाने दिता अच्छा या दि टीचर नीड सुंदा
gela ki email di puje tangie di gela tang do di
thank you yes
kan isenangi di
yes
ongi thandarang tang ba di email de la ranjon gela thanda shila sumswa anje ngi di thanda gela la tang yu anje gela tik tarushi di Leyome.
okay yeah oh Joseph Hindu church yes Hindu appearance
Gela.
Sunda
Kalare class notebook nangru teacher deni kandes kalare chula kandes tengure.
가서랑 그 빠르게 하더랑 알아 가서 한테 꾸리랑 좀 뒤에 좀 빠르게 한 타임 봐. 오 드네로 지 땅시.
Las.
오케이.
Ja.
야 안데 지가 꾸라 이 디스커션 도 되잖아. 로.
Ja.
좋아시 타임 배.
gana ngiki tangyo di concert ya utude
주저 어디 산인처럼 내자고.
let's get up.
아니 덴젤 던들라 교란 던던한 디고래.
Let's get up. Get up, Sunny Jayo.
야요 야야.